Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have another commemorative 50 Bani coin from Romania. Just recently I did a series of 4 or 5 coins that were in capsules that were 50 Bani coins. This one is another 50 Bani coin from Romania. It's a 2019 coin that celebrated the Pope's visit. On this side you have the value, the 4 churches, the coat of arms of Romania and the year. The 4 churches are Our Lady Queen, the Lady Queen Cathedral, Bucharest, St Joseph's Cathedral, Salou, the Marian Stone Holy Trinity Cathedral, and the Church de Argentine Monastery, and that's at IASI. That's IASI. Now the significance of these 4 churches are that they were the four churches that the Pope visited on the tour. And if we look at the front, or we look on the other side, we have a depiction of Pope Francis and the visit dates of the 31st of the 5th to the 2nd, 31st of May to the 2nd of June 2019. What do you think of this coin? It's an interesting coin because it has the Pope, and it was one of the first visits that Pope Francis did after he was inaugurated as a Pope. It was in 2019, and I do like the back here, this particular part here, which is the 4 churches or monasteries that the Pope visited, and you also have the Polish coat of arms just up in this corner here. So, do you like this coin? I think it's a wonderful coin. I really do like this one. I have been putting together slowly a set of coins that show the Pope on them. It's not because I'm a religious person or I'm a Catholic. In fact, I'm not a Catholic, but I find it interesting, and it's just a collection within my collection, a sub-collection should I say, within my collection, showing the some different popes off, and I'm trying to get as many as I can together. Hopefully it won't take too long to get a good thing, and then I'll do a review of the whole series of coins, or the whole part of it. The mintage for this Romanian coin is just 1 million, as a lot of the 50 Bani commemoratives have been that I've shown. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, can you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. Also, if you are one of the people who haven't yet subscribed, they reckon, according to the YouTube statistics, that it is around about 80% of the people that view my channel on a regular basis aren't subscribed. So I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes, etc. So, if you've enjoyed this video, as I say, please give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. If you haven't yet subscribed and you believe I deserve it, then please subscribe. Neither of those 2 things will cost you anything. I do a minimum of 4 and usually 5 videos a week as a minimum. So hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching over the next week. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, then I hope you can buy the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far down the road in the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and bye bye. Ta-da now.